Hello viewers, today lesson is Google Drive, how to use Google Drive, why you use Google Drive, and how to create file and folder and share file and folders. Okay, so now let's start. In fact, Google Drive is an amazing tools in cloud, and you can manage your file and folder. Initially, if you have an Gmail account, then you have at least 15 GB Google Drive, and you can access Google Drive by logging your Gmail, and then you click their Google. You see their Google apps, and then here is Google Drive. If you don't find the Google Drive icon is here, then click more, and then you will somewhat you find out your Google Drive. Sometimes it might not show you in Google Drive apps as I frequently use it, so it's shown in here. So this is my Google Drive, and as you seen here, I have like 15 GB. So if you are a normal user, then I think this 15 GB is enough. Normal user means not you are not a professional, you don't have use, you don't need to store use data, use file and folder, etc, etc. But but in that case, if you like to save so many things, then you can extend it by paying the space. But initially you have 15 GB, and here I already use 12 GB of the data. So here you could create here, like right mouse click and then new folder, and you can upload files, you can upload a folder. And maybe little bit later on I will discuss these other three tools. These are actually amazing tools to maintain your daily life. For example, Google Docs. Google Docs is if you I think you're familiar with Microsoft Word, so it's in Google Docs. So Google Docs is a, I will say rather, is a collaborative tools. Like your friends in your team, you are working in a teams, your friends and you can work together, right? So as I am telling, you can create here folder. For example, if you click new folder, and you can give the folder name as a YouTube or YouTube, however you like. You can write the folder names, and you will find here new folder is called YouTube's. Okay, so in that case, yeah, you could save the files in YouTube. For example, you go in YouTube folder, and then and go upload files, and you can upload anything, whatever you write for use case name or whatever it is. So now you could upload, see it's uploading, and yeah, finally it's uploaded. So the imaging thing is that, for example, you buy a ticket to go somewhere, then in that case you can save your, I mean, print or the digital version of your ticket in there. Or for example, you have some shopping cart, so all are the things need to barcode. So if you can take a picture of anything and save it here, then it could, I mean, open, you could open your this picture and then show your um, vendor, and they will, I mean, scan this code, and you will get the get the point. Or if you save here any important document, for example tax documents or your certificate or whatever, all the important documents you could save here, and you can access from your phone, you can access any other phone. Just all you need just Gmail account, and then that's it. So you could enjoy the imaging feature. And here, like my Google Drive, okay, everything is I created. For example, here a PowerPoint slides, there's a docs, excels. So these things and imaging things, four members in a team, you could I mean, share it to your friends by giving the email, and then you could works collaboratively in a teamwork. And then share with me means someone else share with you, or in your team other team members share with you, and you are working here. You find like a lot of projects I'm working with collaboratively with my team members. So in that case it's a very good tools. And of course you can delete if you don't like anything, or if you think that is unnecessary occupying the data. So you could here delete remove the things. Now I'm gonna show you how you could share. For example here, you could share your file. So share, you could share like 3 4 members, uh, or you could share it for open. So for example here, let's see what's going on here. Like so if you say get a shareable link, and for example here, if you write a, for example, Anupom or mm, Andres or Abdul Shakur, or okay, for example Abdul Shakur, then and if you just send it, then he will get a share. He will get an email saying that you I gonna share this file to him. And in that in this way, and also you can modify the sharing, like can view only, or else can organize and edit. So if you think that no, this team member is not, I mean, permitted to change anything, so you could check these things, just only view only, and see the icon is changed. Now if you want to, I mean, give the permission, like okay, he can edit also, then see the pen icon is coming here. And then you can write some message, and you could click this button, then he will get a notification that you're gonna share these things. And also I also find some important way, like in sometimes while we are applying some documents that are needed, especially transcript. Sometimes transcript is so big that we cannot add any, I mean, job portal. So in that case you can add your mark sheet here, and then okay, let's click done, then I'm come out here. And so what the thing is that, like for example here, like okay, I have this file. For example, this is my mark sheet, so I like to share with all employer, or is open for anyone. So in that case you could make a share, or you can get a shareable link, or you could write here share. And so here is a shareable link. So if you just copy this link and give to anyone, then anyone can access these things. Or else you could give the permission by this space, so if specified people can do these things. And also there's an amazing things like advanced, and here you will see like anyone who has the link can view. Yeah, that's kind of on to anyone with the link, or you could make it public, anyone can see, or else you make it restriction as I will better recommended you if it is very, I mean, very internal or very sensitive data. So keep it off, like specific people who has this kind of things. That you can you could save it here. And then also here it says prevent editor to changing access, like you give permission to change or access someone to of your file, but you can restrict it. So someone can change the text but not add the editor or add the new people. So by clicking there you can prevent these things. And finally you save it, and then finally it will be done. And then here is computer option. I wish I will included it in these things. If you Google or yeah, if you Google it, you will find a Google uh, app, a Google app, for example, Google Drive app. This Google Drive app, you will find an app, and if you install this app, then you could access this your all this file and folder. For example, here my drive, all this file and folder as a real time, and here is recent, like whatever is recently works, I working. So this files is here, and here is been uh, which whatever files I deleted from my computer or from my Google Drive, and this files is here. This files is here. Now I'm gonna show you how to add Google Apps, Google Drive app. So here simply in address bar, and this one is called address bar. So Google Drive, uh, Google Drive app. See here is already showing here, or maybe this one also a good one. But let me try with these things, and download Google Drive. See, and here it says business. Of course we are not a business person, and for example, for you, if you are buy some space, you could add these things. And but this one, I will suggest you go with this one, personal and backup files and folder from computer and SD card. Now download, and agreed, and download, and see here is downloaded. And let's open show in folder. Let's see this folder, and see the highlighted one is the install, backup, and synchronize. So let's double click these things and for installation purpose, and this is nothing but some yes, I like to allow Google Drive setup to use my computer hard drive, and I said yes. And see, now is installing and downloading and installing, and you need approximately 30 to 32 seconds. Now it's less uh, it's complete downloading, and now it's installing. Now it says install complete. Now let's close it and let's see what's happened. So now here you see there are two icons created here, two or three. So Google Sheet, Google Slides, and Google Docs, and this icon also. Let's get started. And what's happened? Sign in. So it's wondering sign in. So I gonna use my and click next. So I gonna hold the video for a while as I. So after giving password, now click here, and here got it, and then it's high quality free unlimited. And now this one is gigabyte is left, is showing like I have left 2 GB as it knows. Next, and then again I say got it, and now it's synchronizing all the data here. Just a minute. Now my Google Drive is ready. See here my Google Drive, and it's taking a little bit time. So here is my Google Drive, and it says backup and synchronize the data. Sorry. And let's click this button. So now if I click it here, now it's showing I have my PC option, and then it's picture and desktop. So this kind of things is showing on. And I can easily manage as a hard disk drive of my computer. And and that's it for now. Thank you. And if you like this video, if you like to get more video for Google Docs, Google Sheet, Google Slides, so please click and subscribe as button of my video and share my video. And thank you for watching. Bye.